Last one here. Jessica Chenoweth versus Carol Rayanna Pauley, 2404637. Name?
Carol Pauley.
Is Chenoweth your name?
Jessica Chenoweth. I'm here represented by my advocate, Lila Dawn Bidwell. Also, sir.
Say that again.
Jessica Chenoweth.
And who's your advocate?
Lila Dawn Bidwell. She's my power of attorney, advocate, cousin, caregiver, all the above.
I just really can't have you do that, ma'am. Just tell me your name.
Jessica Chenoweth.
No. Not you. The other lady.
Oh, right here.
Hello. Lila Dawn Bidwell.
State your name where I can hear it and understand it.
I'm sorry, Lila Dawn Bidwell.
I can't let you represent her with a power of attorney. I can't let you do that.
Well, I'm here.
Hang on.
I'm not representing you.
What is going on here? Why don't you have to leave the property? Sir, you cannot talk from back there. Why don't you have to leave the property? I'm talking to you.
To be honest, Your Honor,
Well, I want you to be honest, so you don't have to preface with
all
that.
right, well, I don't have to leave the property because she is not the landlord here. She does not own the home.
Who owns the home?
Who owns the home would be my great-great-grandparents. Actually, I sent you, I gave you copies of this, of my...
All right, guys, buckle up, because what you're about to hear isn't just another dull courtroom scene. This is chaos, confusion, and raw confrontation in real time. Jessica Chenoweth steps up, trying to throw legal jargon, waving the word advocate like a shield, but the judge isn't buying it. He shuts her down fast, ma'am. Just state your name. Already, the tension spikes. Beside her, Lila Dawn Bidwell claims to be cousin, caregiver, and power of attorney all at once. The judge slices through the smoke. No, you cannot represent her from the first minute. It's clear this hearing is about to explode.
My grandma Grace and my grandfather, yes.
Are they alive or dead?
No, they're passed away. And as of right now, nobody owns the house. My Uncle Terry is the one that paid taxes for 3 years.
Slow down.
Okay.
So,
How do you own the property, Miss Chenoweth?
She does.
Excuse me, sir. I do not outright. It's in probate. I am the heir inherent. My mother took care of my great-grandmother.
Who's helping you probate the estate?
Brownstown. I'm concurring with Allen Hunt, legal firm.
Slow down. Mr. Hunt is helping you probate the estate. He's the probate attorney, right?
Yes, sir.
Does he know that you're doing this when you don't have proof that you're the owner, that you have not been awarded the property yet?
Yes, sir. He has all my past checks, my bank statements stating that I have been paying the bills here for a while now.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Why don't you ask him to show up here and enter an appearance for you?
Sir, can I state something, please?
No. I mean, I'll let you talk. I don't want to stop you from talking. You just got done answering your own question. You said you're not the owner of the property right now.
Jessica tries to fight back, tossing out claims about property, ownership, dead grandparents, and taxes paid by an uncle. The judge stops her midstream. Slow down. The courtroom feels like it's spiraling. Jessica insists the house belongs to her family. But when pressed, she admits it's in probate, not hers yet. The judge locks in, so you don't own the property. That's the hammer. He wants proof, lawyers, real documents, not excuses. And Jessica, she's cornered, scrambling with shaky explanations.
No, so I am the provider paying the bills.
Ma'am?
Yes.
The owner of the property can evict, not anybody else. Are you going to be the owner of the property? Hang on. I don't know why people try to do these things on their own. You really don't. Why are you trying to handle this, ma'am? You're looking at the ceiling. Look at me, please.
Yes,
Why
sir.
are you trying to do this on your own when you're not a lawyer? Why are you, hang on. Why are you handling a messy situation like this when you don't have a clue? I mean, seriously. Why don't you get the lawyer involved in this and he can come in here and he can tell me why you have the authority to have this lady evicted?
May I?
Is she going to get the property?
No, she's
No.
not, Your Honor, and she's an
Yes, I am.
alcoholic, and
All
Lyra Dawn
right, let's
Bidwell
not
is a
cast
cokehead.
aspersions. I didn't ask you to be a character witness here.
Okay. But
Did you hear what I said?
yes, Your Honor. She's not the owner of the property and not gonna become the owner of the property.
Who is?
I would be my great dead grandparents.
Well, they're not going to be
My
owning the
mother.
property if they're deceased, ma'am.
No, they're,
Somebody else is. Right?
Me.
I mean, people don't continue to own the property when they're in the ground.
right.
Come on.
The real pressure hits. The judge looks Jessica dead in the eye and asks, "Why are you trying to handle this on your own when you're not a lawyer?" That's the knockout punch. Jessica stares at the ceiling, fumbling, while her so-called advocate interrupts. Chaos brews. Carol Pauley, the woman on the other side, seizes the chance to strike. She fires off accusations, calling Jessica unstable, even an alcoholic. The judge snaps back. We're not doing character assassinations here, but the damage is done, the courtroom is boiling over. And Jessica's credibility is crumbling by the second.
Why don't you tell Mr. Hunt to show up? I'm adjourning this to January 6th at 1:15.
Your Honor, may I speak now?
Not yet. Ma'am, there is virtually nothing you can say to me that is going to cause me to enter a judgment today. You need a
There is
lawyer.
a history of
You
violence.
need a lawyer that knows what they're doing, okay? Get a lawyer in here. Your probate lawyer can show up. He can appear by Zoom. He can tell me why you own the property or where it is in the probate process. I'm not awarding you a judgment today. You come back here January 6th again. Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You come back here January 6th. Are you in there now?
I've
Yes, sir,
lived
I am.
there. That's
He's
my
in the-
childhood home.
Stop. Why are you two interrupting one another? What's so funny? Let me in on it. I need a laugh.
Because I'm
What are you
60
laughing
years
about?
old. She's already cracked my skull and put 7 staples in it. I'm in fear of my life. I live on life alert. I'm an amputee, and I have to deal with this, sir. I've had the
Does she
police
have a
called
case?
more
Does
in
she
the
have a
last
case?
2 months.
Hang on. Look her up. Look up Carol Pauley. Do you have a case pending?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
Have you ever been
Not
charged
here in
with
New
anything?
York.
No, Your Honor, she's full of lies. She's falsely stating that I would hurt her. The only thing I've ever done was
I
try
got
to give her
medical
Thanksgiving dinner. I have a recording that I tried to give her
I need to see her,
Thanksgiving dinner, and what she
Jennifer.
did was
The gavel doesn't just control Orderwit, slices through lies. Carol insists she's in fear for her life, claiming Jessica cracked her skull and left her with staples in her head. Jessica shoots back, shouting that it's all a lie, saying all she ever did was offer Thanksgiving dinner. The judge loses patience, 2 voices yelling, accusations flying, and truth buried in the noise. His recorder can't even keep up. One fact is clear. This isn't justice. This is survival.
called me the BITCH,
All
called me.
right. Okay.
A
All
lot.
right. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any case in our system against Ms. Pauley.
No, everything's
Because I
been
did not do
dismissed.
it. It's a false allegation.
Stop. You guys are both talking. I cannot possibly hear both of you, and I can promise you my recorder can't pick up both of you. Listen, here's what I'm doing. I'm not going to argue about it. January 6th, 1:15. You come back here. Don't fight. If you're living together, I don't know what to tell you, but this is a mess. Get your lawyer involved, ma'am. We'll see you here then. Good luck. Thank you.
Can I?
Yeah,
say
good
No.
luck.
something?
Thank you.
There's nothing to say.
I do have a letter.
There's nothing to say. Keep the letter with you. Bring it back January 6th, okay?
I'll get a copy. Can I do a copy of it for you?
You can get a copy put in the file if you want.
Yes, Sharon.
Okay? I'm not gonna look at it until January 6th.
Okay,
So
thank
you
you.
can just bring me back a copy on January 6th. How's that?
If I'm
Did you
dead
call
before
back?
January 6th, was she
Yeah.
accountable?
January 6th at 1:15. That's my next landlord-tenant docket. Wait a minute. Folks, that's what I'm doing. I'm adjourning it to that day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You have a blessed day, guys.
Thank you.
And finally, enough. The judge adjourns the case, pushing it to January 6th. He makes it crystal clear. Jessica needs a lawyer, not excuses. No proof, no judgment. That's it. The courtroom drains, but the air is still heavy with venom. 2 women, 1 house, and a storm of accusations solved, unresolved, waiting to explode again in the new year. And just when you think the drama's overhold tight, because the next case kicks the door wide open.
Diamond Mercedes
I hope I'm alive then.
22B1410007. All right. She pled guilty to failure to pay fines and costs as ordered and failure to provide proof of completing 24 hours of community service by October 1. I told her on October 1 that I was going to set it over for sentence, or on November the 21st, adjourned it to December 19th. I got a call from my judicial clerk saying that she was sick or her child was sick or something along those lines. I adjourned it over to today. Is there anything you'd like to say? Tell me, give me proof that she's done her community service.
Your Honor, she does not have proof at this time.
Why not?
Judge,
She
currently.
didn't do it.
Yes, Judge. I note that she is currently on bed rest. She's 6 months pregnant. When I discussed the outstanding balance, she's respectfully requesting consideration for a payment plan. She can make a $100 payment this Friday, and then she'd be asking to make.
Why would I give her a payment plan when I know I told her on August the 8th to pay $50 a week and to come and talk to me if she didn't have the money? Why would I now be sympathetic over somebody saying they're 6 months pregnant when I ordered this in July? She knew when she got pregnant. I gave her till October 1. That would have been 3 months earlier. There's no reason she couldn't have done a sedentary job in either July, August, September, October. And she told us, I think she did community service.
Ernst voice enter. Diamond Mercedes. Another defendant, another storm. Pregnant, broke, and drowning in unpaid fines. She faces the judge with excuses stacked higher than the charges. She claims bed rest, claims sickness, claims she just couldn't do her community service. But the judge, not fooled. He drills her. Why didn't you pay when I ordered? Why didn't you come to me? She fumbles, backtracks, blames circumstances. This isn't just a courtroom. It's a battlefield where excuses die fast.
But she's not going to do community service because she doesn't think she needs to do community service. Did she do her court work program?
Yes, Your Honor, and she was doing court work program all the way up into September, so I'm not sure when this bed rest claim has come in.
She was doing what?
She was doing court work program all the way through the middle of September, so I'm not sure where the bed rest comes in.
She's just, listen, sometimes I don't feel like calling them. It's the day before Christmas. She's not kidding me. I mean, this is nonsense. Did you go to the doctor about the COVID the other day?
I didn't have COVID. My daughter had the flu and had
Your daughter
a
had
seizure,
the flu.
and I have proof of that. Yes.
Well, let me see it. Did you go to a doctor?
Did I go to?
Did she go to a doctor?
Yes, she was in a hospital.
Okay, I don't need the proof. What do you want? What else is she doing? Is she doing our outpatient?
Yes, Your Honor, to her credit, she is compliant with her outpatient treatment. Really, at this point, she owes the victim's impact panel, and she still has not cleared several of those warrants that she has outstanding.
You haven't gone over and done that either, huh?
She indicated that she took care of her warrants out of Wayne and Westland.
Let's see here. I don't have that handy. Where else does she have warrants out of?
Judge calls her out hard. 9 warrants, ignored orders, broken promises. You think you're bigger than the courts? He fires. Diamond tries to play it off, saying she never knew about the warrants, claiming it's all a mistake. But the record doesn't lie. The courtroom tension crackles her due date, her pregnancy. Her financial struggles, it's all laid out like a desperate shield. Yet the judge keeps swinging, reminding her community service isn't optional, fines don't vanish, and warrants don't fade.
I ran her record December 17th. She still had warrants out of Wayne, Westland, Romulus, Taylor, Westland, Romulus, and that is all, Your Honor. So she still had warrants out of those jurisdictions as of the December 17th date.
Let's go over to Taylor.
I never knew I had a warrant for Taylor.
Let's go over to
I never
Romulus.
even got pulled over by him.
Let's go over to Romulus. She's
No.
not lying to you. I mean, they're on
Okay,
there.
that's fine, but I don't know nothing about any of that. Taylor or Romulus, I've been
Because you got
very
in a
aware.
bad habit of thinking you're larger than courts. That's what happened.
That's not what it is.
Okay, how many total warrants did she have on there?
Your Honor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 total warrants, Your Honor.
Let's not act like you can't wait to go to court when you get a ticket, okay? Let's please save it. I don't want to hear it.
If I knew, I would say that. I'm a grown
All right.
woman.
Well, they're
I do
not
know
lying.
nothing
People don't
about
put-
any of that.
People don't put warrants in the liens, ma'am, unless you have a warrant in the jurisdiction,
Okay.
okay? When is your due date?
In May,
May?
yes.
Diamond tries one last defense. I'm pregnant. I can't do the work. The judge flips it. Community service can be sedentary, no excuses. He orders more hours, tighter deadlines, and flat out warns her. Stop ignoring the courts. This isn't sympathy hour. This is accountability. The gavel strikes like thunder, reminding everyone court orders aren't suggestions, they're commands. And if you ignore them, the hammer only hits harder.
I thought you just said she was 6 months
I'll
pregnant.
be 6 months next week.
Well, that would make it March, wouldn't it, or not, or
No,
early April?
it's May.
So you're not 6 months pregnant.
I'm 5 months pregnant.
11 months if you said May.
No, okay. I have whatever.
Are you working? How are you supporting
No,
yourself?
I'm not. I'm waiting on cash assistance.
Is the father helping you out of the child?
No,
Are you having complications with your pregnancy?
that's what we're trying to see. I have to go back.
Here's what I'm doing. Here's what I'm doing. No doctors told you that yet, right?
No, doctors told me what?
That you're having complications that are going to stop you from doing things, physical things.
Well,
Community service is very sedentary work. We can find sedentary work.
Yeah, they tell me the Victory Gym.
Okay. Well, you're going to do 2 extra days of community service, and it's all going to be completed by February the 7th.
What's wild is how every excuse digs her hole deeper. The judge points out contradictions. She says 6 months pregnant, then 5, then changes her due date. She denies ever getting food stamps, denies jobs she admitted to before, denies everything the record shows. But denial won't save her. The truth stands tall. She owes money, hours, and respect to the system she keeps dodging. And the judge. He's not letting her slip free.
So let's quit acting like we're oppressed and start to understand that we have to show up and pay for our sins. And that's what we do. Now, how much did you say you can pay?
She can make a $100 payment this upcoming Friday.
And then, but then how much can she pay?
100 per month with the minimum on or about
You
the.
pay $100 by December the 27th. And the 27th of every month thereafter. With all money due by because I have to have it done before the end of probation by August the 15th of 25. You don't have the money? All you have to do is call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll be happy to work with you, but you cannot ignore courts like this, man. Okay, so you have to do all your community service by that date that I gave you. So you already owed us 24 hours. Now you owe us 40 hours, and that has to be done by February the 7th. If you get a note from a doctor saying it's an impossible task for you to do that, based on the type of work that you can do that's sedentary, I'll be glad to give you an extension. Okay? I wish you well. Stop being so angry. Go take care of the courts. Go surrender yourself on the warrants.
Can I have a printout of that? Just like
I can't give you a printout of the lien. We can tell you where, but they're all in Westland, Wayne, Romulus, and Taylor, right, Beth?
That's correct. That's correct.
I just want to make sure it's actually me. Because
Well, they
you
wouldn't
said
put
a job that
they wouldn't put those on there if they weren't you, ma'am.
a job in the
Thank you, Judge.
I never even said.
All right, you can go tell the judge that. All right, Harlock Holding.
Voice finally, the judgment lands. Diamond must pay $100 by December 27th every month after, and finish 40 hours of service by February 7th. No excuses, no more games. The message is brutal but clear. Stop dodging, stop lying, face reality. The documentary closes on one haunting truth, whether it's Jessica's. Fight over a house or Diamond's battle with responsibility. The courtroom doesn't care about excuses. It cares about proof, about truth, about order. And in this arena, one wrong move doesn't just cost you money, it costs you credibility, freedom, and sometimes your entire future.